Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9A and let me show you how to show the battery info. So firstly, let's find and open the settings. Then let's tap on display, scroll down to the control center and notification shade. And here let's scroll down to the battery indicator. Let's click on it and we've got three options to choose from. Now we've got only icon applied, but we can choose the battery info inside the battery icon or next to the battery icon. So let me pick next to the battery icon, and as you can see in the status bar we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. So let me pick another option inside the battery icon, and now it is inside. So that's all. This is how you show the battery info in the Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.